It works. We have done many studies. Believe me, it works. But several things. Number one, you must have the right protective equipment. The right mask. Now, this is the right mask. You see, it has a blue color on the outside because it's waterproof. Then you have a white on the inside, which is absorbent.
Yeah.
So if I cough, it absorbs it. Now, so you're going to wear it like this. The blue on the outside, the white on the inside. You have seen people wearing it like this. Totally wrong, you see. You see people wearing masks, there's only one piece of paper. Those are not for infection control. You see this here? This tight little thick band here is to show you that you should put it on the top.
Yep.
Why? Because once you wear it, then you squeeze it so that it matches.
You got to pinch the nose, yeah.
You pinch the nose, and then you put it down. Very important because you don't want it to fall like this. If you see someone doing it, say, hey, please, you got to cover your nose. Have you seen doctors doing this? You know, talking to you like this.
Yeah.
This is wrong. The removal is just as important. You've got to listen to this. Because once you wear a mask, you should consider it dirty. Then when you remove, you don't touch it. You remove it such that...
Oh, everything's falling.
You
Be
remove
careful.
it such that it touches the... Oh, so sorry. You remove
People
it, don't
need
touch
to
it,
know
and
this.
drop it.
Yeah.
And then do hand hygiene.